Wala ka siyang
Tingnan mo
Instagram.
lang kung gano'ng kaganda yung friend ko. How sexy, pretty, thin you are. Now, ganda. And thanks for this, Gretch. You're so sweet. Thanks for organizing. I'm so touched.
Anything for you.
And I'm glad to see all of you. But in your time zone. In your time zone. And you're glowing. You're glowing very well. Sila na outfits mo.
Hindi. They're all old.
Paano?
They're all old.
So, paano nagkasya
I was like this before.
Yes, hindi. Mas payat ka.
Darling, I really, these are all old. I played
Tingnan mo yung waistline niya. Mas
I went
maliit.
to my
Okay.
walk-in closet.
Dati mas, go.
I went into my closet last night and I just started to play.
Oh.
So I started wearing all my old clothes.
As in,
I haven't worn it, but I bought it
oh, so at least nahanap.
many years ago. I'm not kidding.
At least you can use your clothes.
What I'm trying to say is I was really this thin. You just got used to me not being that thin anymore. So finally I said, I want that look again.
Anong year
The
style
Ivy
kaya?
look.
Hindi kasi before, many years ago when you were very young, I would buy clothes for you from Singapore.
Right.
Diba? Remember?
Yeah, this was the size.
And we were the same size.
Exactly. So this is part of
That-
this is also from
yes.
Singapore,
That
which
was-
you didn't buy.
Yes.
I bought this at Marina.
Oh, yes.
You know that place where you took us? The
Yes,
Marina?
yes.
So I bought this like many years ago. So I
hindi
was this
nakasya?
kid. No, I just had too much. I just buy a lot and then
you keep
and then
it.
you choose right what you want and then obviously you're not able to wear them right.
Super payat. Those were the days.
Super funny.
Memories.